In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making $200 to $300 per day with this side income stream.
Yeah. Weezy out of here.
So recently, I've been making anywhere from $300 to $500 per day with this specific income stream. And I just wanted to update you guys on number one, what the income stream is, or actually just to show you guys a little preview. And then number two, next I'm gonna go ahead and basically break down how I'm actually getting these results. So let's step behind the laptop. So if we look at today's date, it's Saturday, January 5th, 2019. And if we go to Stripe and we go to dashboard, if we look at what I made today, with this specific income stream, I made $597 today, and yesterday I made $97, a little bit more of a slower day. But in the last 4 weeks, with one of the 5 income streams, I made $6,449. That's actually in about 14 days. That's about 2 weeks actually. So this business has been crushing it. Almost at about $10,000 within the last 2 weeks, $597 just today. So we're gonna keep on scaling this up and making a ridiculous amount of money. All right, so if you guys notice, guys, January 5th, 2019. It's hard for me to say 2019, but basically what I'm leveraging is first and foremost called affiliate marketing. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is simply when you are the middleman. So there is a vendor, somebody who actually owns the product. Then there is an affiliate, someone who actually promotes the product. And then they're in the middle, right? The affiliate. And then there is the person who actually buys the product. So you're the middleman who gets the person who owns the product and gets the person who buys the product together, right? And you get compensated to do that. So in essence, it's kind of like the real estate agent, the home buyer, and then the person who actually owns the home. So to actually get those people together and get that transaction to take place, they get paid a percentage of the sale. But instead of 3% like a real estate agent, with high ticket sales, I get paid 100% commissions on this offer. And that actually has 5 different income streams. Now, how have I actually been making sales with this? First and foremost, guys, you need to find a product that actually solves a problem, right? So in essence, this one solves the problem of people who are trying to walk away from their 9 to 5, people who don't want to work a job anymore, people who like to live life on their own terms, right? And they need the education and the skill set to do so. So what happens is this product solves that problem, right? So the first thing that I need to do is I need to find people who are having that problem, right? Find people who are having that problem and figure out who your ideal clients are and where they are, right? So there's so many places to find those people. Right now, one of my big 2 are Facebook and YouTube, right? So I'm leveraging my YouTube to create content to actually attract those people to me, right? Because they actually consume my content, and after they consume my content, I make an offer of the product which can solve that problem. So an example, I might make a video on how to make money online in 2019, and then I'm gonna attract those type of people to my life. People obviously who wanna make money online, this product can teach them that skill set, right? Find where those people are who have this problem, provide the product that solves that problem, meet the 2 together, you get paid a commission. Number 2 is Facebook ads. So with Facebook ads, you can literally go ahead and target people based off of their likes and interests, right? So instead of like YouTube, where you're basically attracting people to you through free organic traffic, you can actually go direct to the consumer. But instead of just like putting like a TV ad or a radio ad, what's cool is it's extremely targeted. So I can literally see people who like stuff like digital marketing or things about work from home jobs, or I can find these likes and interests on Facebook. I can display my ads in front of them. And then what happens is I can get them to take action through my automation process, which is a whole nother video within itself. And then when they take action, right, they buy the product, I get paid a commission. So with that being said, guys, this is the name of the game. You have to find a product that solves a problem within a specific niche. You have to figure out, okay, where are these people at and how can I get this product in front of them? And then what happens is when the percentage of those people actually make a purchase, you get paid to be the middleman. Now you're probably thinking, well, I don't have the training, I don't know the skill set, and I don't have the product, right? That's where this comes in, right? Down below, I actually have a free course, right? There's gonna be a link across the screen where you can actually buy the product, right? And when you buy the product, you're gonna be able to invest in the different levels of education, and that different levels of education is gonna go to teach you this skill set. And what's cool is you can actually license yourself to sell this product and get paid 100% commissions, right? Now, if you want additional training, there will be a button below or a link below where you can get access to my 7-day free course, which will teach you how I'm currently promoting this product and getting results, right? So with that being said, hopefully you guys gain value from that. Take action down below or across the screen. As always, your boy, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.